Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're checking out the best portable bandsaws, perfect for cutting through metal, wood, and other materials with precision. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, these portable saws are ideal for on-the-go jobs and tough cutting tasks. We'll review the top models, their features, and why they stand out for performance and portability. All product links are in the description below. If you're ready to upgrade your toolkit, let's get started. Number 5. MAXXT Band Saw with Lightweight Aluminum Base. The MAXXT Band Saw with a lightweight aluminum base offers impressive versatility and power for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Designed to handle a wide range of materials, this 10-amp 5-inch deep-cut bandsaw is a standout for those needing a portable, high-performance cutting tool. With features such as variable speed control, automatic operation, and portability, the MAXXT Band Saw is engineered to deliver efficiency, precision, and convenience. The 10-amp motor is the backbone of this bandsaw, offering high performance without the risk of overheating. It's capable of cutting through tough materials like steel, aluminum, stainless steel, angle iron, PVC pipe, and more. Whether you're working with solid steel or aluminum profiles, the MAXXT Band Saw provides clean, burr-free cuts with minimal effort. Low noise operation ensures a quieter workspace. Adjustable cutting angles 0 to 45 degrees make it ideal for complex cuts, providing versatility for various projects. The automatic cutting feature enhances convenience, as the saw automatically stops running once the cut is complete, which increases safety and extends the lifespan of the tool. Additionally, the saw can be operated manually or with the base, offering flexibility depending on the task. Number 4. Makita XBP02Z 18-volt lithium-ion cordless portable bandsaw. The Makita XBP02Z 18-volt LXT lithium-ion cordless portable bandsaw is a powerful, portable, and versatile tool designed for metalworkers, electricians, and construction professionals. Makita, known for its reliability and high-quality power tools, offers this bandsaw for those who need precision, convenience, and power on the go. The Makita XBP02Z comes with a 4 3/4-inch cutting capacity, allowing users to cut through a variety of metal materials effortlessly. The tool uses a 44 to 78-inch blade, making it suitable for both light and heavy-duty metal cutting tasks. This cordless bandsaw is powered by a Makita-built motor that delivers a cutting speed of 275 to 530 feet per minute. The variable speed control enables users to adjust the cutting speed based on the application, ensuring precision and control in every cut. Number 3. Milwaukee 623221 Deep Cut Band Saw Review. Introduction. The Milwaukee 623221 Deep Cut Band Saw is a robust tool designed for heavy-duty metalworking tasks. Milwaukee has a solid reputation in the power tools industry, known for its reliability and innovation. This model offers advanced features aimed at enhancing performance and durability, making it a go-to option for professionals in the industrial and construction sectors. In this review, we'll take a closer look at the standout features, performance, and value of this bandsaw. Key features: 11A port bandsaw. This bandsaw features an 11-amp motor, providing the power needed for cutting through tough metal materials. It combines durability with ease of use, allowing even less experienced users to handle it with confidence. Number 2. VEVOR Portable Bandsaw. The VEVOR Portable Bandsaw is a versatile and powerful tool designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This bandsaw features a 110-volt, removable alloy steel base and a 5-inch cutting capacity, making it suitable for a variety of cutting tasks, including metal and wood. With its 10-amp motor and ergonomic design, the VEVOR Portable Bandsaw promises efficient, smooth cuts without sparks or burrs. The VEVOR Bandsaw offers a 4.7-inch by 4.7-inch deep cut capacity for rectangular stock and a 5-inch cutting capacity for round stock when used without the base. When the base is attached, it provides a 3.9-inch by 3.2-inch deep cut capacity for rectangular stock and 3.93 for round stock, making it suitable for a wide range of materials. Number 1. DEWALT 20-volt MAXXT Band Saw. The DEWALT 20-volt MAXXT Band Saw is a high-performance, battery-powered tool designed for professionals who need a portable and reliable solution for cutting metal. With its 5-inch cutting capacity and innovative features like an integrated hang hook and LED work light, this bandsaw delivers power, precision, and convenience. In this review, we will explore its key features, performance, and whether it's a good fit for your toolbox. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.